Hello friends, welcome back. In this episode, I'm going to share with you apple fruit packing till selling in the market. So please stay with me and enjoy watching. So before that, if you've not liked and subscribed my YouTube channel, please do that and press the bell icon so that you get the notification about apple fruit. So let's check out my godown. Now godown is full of apple which is taken from the tree. In my previous episode I shared how to pluck the apples and which is going live from my apple farm. Now the segregation process is on. In this process our experts they're going to segregate apple with different sizes, and the grading system is implemented over there, which is going to be done manually by hand. However, there is a machine also right now doing this same job, which can reduce the manpower, and but we are doing the manual way. So here you can see different types of grading size has been segregated in the different carton, and it's going to packed in the boxes. Now you can see. Now guys, I'm live from the market which is located in the north of India, the place near to Chandigarh called Parwanu. This market is really huge, and where apple from all over Himachal Pradesh assembles here and people sell their apple fruit over here. So we sell our apple today in this market, and we got really good rates. And I'm not going to share the apple rates because it can hurt any seller. So this is the apple fruit which is open in front of you. So I hope you guys enjoy watching, and you guys, if some people doesn't know the chemistry of apple fruit, they can subscribe to my channel. I have posted all type of videos from the farming till the selling in the market. So guys, if any comments and any feedback you want to give, you can put the comment below in the section. So thank you so much for watching. See you in next time with different concepts.